I'm Cedric Fernandez, CTO at MobiTV. MobiTV is a technology provider for multi-screen IPTV solutions. We provide technology that drives from an end-to-end perspective video delivery across multiple screens. In effect, we deliver video to any IP-enabled device. And we do this both for in-network deployments with large operators, and we also provide cloud services via our managed service offering. There's quite a few new things we're showing off. First and foremost, we're continuing to demonstrate the end-to-end capabilities of our multi-service technology. But specifically at IBC, there are a couple of new things we're talking about. One, we've announced a partnership with EchoStar, where we're integrating our content security solution via our DRM agent and our media playback technology with EchoStar set-top box. It's an Android-driven set-top box leveraging Marvell's chipset. We've previously announced a relationship with Marvell, so we've got a full trust zone implementation on the Marvell chipset, providing for an end-to-end secure model for delivery on the set-top boxes. So that's one. The other thing we're also showcasing here some new features we've brought together in our platform, mainly focused around social interaction. And you'll find a lot of companies out there that actually talk about social interaction, but it's from the perspective of being able to post comments to Facebook or Twitter or interact with Instagram from the standpoint of publishing information. What we wanted to do was leverage social trends to improve content discovery. So if you look at a large IPTV type deployment where you've got 300, 400 live channels, tons of TV shows from an on-demand perspective or movies, it's really important to bubble up the most important content to the end user. We like to think about getting the user one click away from any content that's relevant to them and getting them immediately into the content. And so what we've done is we've done an integration with Twitter where we identify the trends on Twitter at any point in time. And then we've got some patent pending technology that takes those trends and maps it to content that's actually being broadcast right now. So if we've got some live channels, then we've got algorithms that go in and contextually look at the content that's going over the system and bubble those particular pieces of programs or content up for the content, for the user to actually get into that particular piece of content. So one of the things we've done on MobiTV is we focused a lot on second screen experiences. And what you're seeing here is presence detection that we have in the system. So in this particular case, the system recognizes that the user is actually in the home and all these devices on the same network. So when I'm trying to watch MAV TV in this case, it's giving me the option of watching it on any of these devices that are attached to the user's profile. So in this case, if I say I want to watch it on the set-top box, I just hit set-top box, and you'll see on the big screen TV, it actually changes the channel and brings up MAV TV on the big screen TV there. For additional information on MobiTV, our product solutions, and our target markets, you could get that from mobitv.com.